I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by getting the device ready and opening the app page. You don't need to wander through menus. Go to Settings, then Apps or Apps and Notifications, and tap the specific app you want to wipe. You should consider a quick backup if any data matters. Once done, you'll see options like Storage, Permissions, and Force Stop. Make sure you have Device Unlock access because you'll confirm destructive actions in the next steps. You'll now remove the app's stored data and revoke permissions to fully reset behavior. Tap Storage and Cache and use Clear Cache to remove temporary files, then Clear Storage or Clear Data to erase accounts, settings, and databases. Next, go to Permissions and revoke anything unnecessary so the app won't auto-resume access. If the app came pre-installed or has problematic updates, uninstall updates to revert to the factory build. This often removes migrated corrupted files and simplifies troubleshooting. Finish by force stopping the app, then reboot the device to ensure system cache is clear and no processes hold deleted data. After restart, open the app to confirm it behaves like a fresh install and sign in if necessary. Make sure settings and saved files are gone. If problems persist, errors, crashes, or leftover data, reinstall the app from the Play Store or, when applicable, boot to recovery and clear system cache for that app. Troubleshooting tip: if data reappears, check linked cloud accounts and revoke sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.